introduction, you were mentioning about the various vigilance and security practices. We would like to know what your company's focus is on for the future aspect, and what is your take on the role of ICT in vigilance in this PSU sector?
See, being a vigilance department head, I am working towards increasing the managerial efficiency of the company. As a vigilance department, we are working towards use of technology in day-to-day working. See, our head of the organization, who is CMD, Mr. Gopal Singh, I am working with him and the board of the PSU for use of enhanced technology in different parts of the day-to-day working. I am mentioning some of them which we have taken the initiative in our company and which has been already in use. Some of them is we are using e-tendering with reverse bidding in various type of transportation contracts, in extraction of coal and transportation of coal, removal of heavy. See, by use of this reverse bidding, we are in a position to save the more than 1,000 crores of rupees in terms of below benchmark price, below estimated price. See, our contract management cell is using since over 3.5 years this reverse bidding practice, and since April 2015, we have completely migrated to e-tendering mode by all the departments. Initially, many of the departments were not using. Now they have started using at the behest of the CMD, at the behest of the management, who is cooperated for implementation of this e-tendering process. There are various IT initiatives like bill tracking system, like file movement system, like online complaints. We have started taking online complaints of grievance nature also, of vigilance nature also. We are using wide area network. There are 12 areas in CISL. Out of the 12 areas, 8 areas are connected as of now over the wide area network. We are using CoalNet applications. There are 6 major modules in CoalNet. This is a ERP-like solution for the Coal India Limited. We are using 6 modules as of now. The one major application which we have started using by way of we are using another technology called GPRS based vehicle tracking system and integrated web bridge management system by use of CCTV. 2 areas we have implemented it. This will take a long help in pilferage of the coal. Electronic surveillance will be there at the siding, at the railway siding, at the magazines, railway magazines, which will be monitored 24/7 by way of CCTV. So you can say we are in a tremendous transformation mode for using the technology. As you know, the technology is the greatest gift of the God after man's life. So we are using this and striving towards the good governance and good vigilance administration. You can say the vigilance department nowadays is focusing more on preventive measures rather than punitive vigilance. We as a vigilance head, I am propagating this to take a preventive measure so that the vigilance action could not arise in future. We are working towards this.
So what are your takeaways from this summit, from this PSU summit?
See, this will help in taking this task further, and whatever I have learned during the last 2 sessions, I will try to implement more in our company.
In your company?
Yeah, in our company.
In your company.
Yeah, definitely.
The takeaways will be what? I mean, if you want to say maybe 2 or 3, maybe 5 major things you would like to incorporate in your company, whatever you have learned from here.
See, there are many things which we have already in process of doing that, like You can say we were not able to implement fully this the GPS based system, which we will be completing in a next 2-3 months. We will do that, and there are many things which in the mall first session they have given the different speakers are dedicated. We will try to use many of them, and use of technology. We will definitely going to take it further in our company.
Updated in
Updated technology.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.